How much money did I spend and make from flipping this car? And no, I don't mean flipping it like this. I mean flipping it like restoring it and selling it for profit. First, the price of the car was $1,250. I got it with an array of issues such as mold in the interior, just lack of maintenance, and just a bunch of other neglect problems. After that, registering it costed me $320.59. First thing I did was change out the fluids, put a new power steering O-ring, and change out the knock sensor, and that costed me $146.89. When cleaning out all of the mold, I had to buy things such as a bunch of cleaning chemicals, a mold suit, as well as rent out an ozone generator. Renting out the ozone generator costed me $100 exactly, and all the mold cleaning supplies costed me $93.84. Then I put in a new battery, which was $50, a few tools to do some of the jobs I had, which costed $34.50. Then the suspension was really clunky and unstable, so I got brand new front struts that are OEM spec, and those costed me $170. The fender on the other side was broken in from a parking lot incident, and that costed me $130. Then buying some miscellaneous screws plus a cabin air filter costed me $30.81. The taillight gasket in the back was leaking, and that costed me $15 to buy one. Then I just custom made my other one for free. One taillight bulb in the back was $10. And finally, the engine air filter costed me $18. And in total, the whole car costed me $2,369.63. I sold the car for this much, which means I profited this much. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer all of them.
At least to the best of my ability.